Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we are going to the second half of 2026, well, that's where we are having the H2 versions of Windows. 24 H2, 25 H2. The H2 means on the second half of the year. And of course, we know that 26 H2 is coming also. Somebody said, well, we don't have 26 H1 yet. It's not meant for anyone except those that are on ARM processors. Some insiders are having it because they're testing things there, but it's not it's not coming to regular folks on x64 or Intel or AMD machines. So we are heading for 26H2. Microsoft did also issue today a kind of the little code map or roadmap of what's going to happen. So it says, okay, Windows 11 version 25H2, there will be new code flags and that are changed from disabled to enabled. And so this is when you get that update, and then the device will restart. And then the new features are enabled. And then the build version number is updated to 26H2. Now, the only thing that I ask, and I hope they had promised that this time around we should all have the features all together and not we've had with 25H2 and before, where some of us have it, some of us don't, some take a long time before they get anything. Hopefully this will be, we're at 26H2 and we all have the new features, and that's it. So that is the way that I hope it's going to happen. So this is the way it's going to happen. It is presently being tested. 26H2 is what the Dev Insider channel is testing. So if you're on the Dev Insiders on the Dev channel, you're on 26H2. You're testing what's coming. Technically, it will move on to beta, where it should be tested furthermore before an official release. So Microsoft says it's going to be there soon. So expect that it could happen even, or as early as August, maybe, depending on how much testing they want to do. So anywhere from, August to the end of the year. This is, if it doesn't have any, bugs or problems, major problems, this should appear quite quickly. So that's the little roadmap that they built for us to let us know how it's going to happen. Once again, it's an enablement package. The update itself will be very small. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.